Data
Ma'am, how was
science.
your experience for this event, today's event?
This is one of the premier institute in the state of Goa, and they have inaugurated data science laboratory and first year course for engineering in computer engineering in the institute. I congratulate the institute for taking up this. As I was interacting, I have come to know that they have brought and installed for teaching the students the latest analysis in data computing and data engineering, and that will be most used for crime prevention and for detection of the crime. So I will be interacting with them more on the pattern of analysis, what can be done about it, and how we can use this in policing for prevention and the detection of the crime. I congratulate this institute for taking up this step towards the public course.
Ma'am, recently, one more question, ma'am. Recently, 10 situation is going in Kanko now. So, what are the precautions that you have taken?
We have taken all the required precautions, and I have right now come over here for inaugurations, and that is also being handled simultaneously. We'll take all the precautions as per law, what is required to be done. Thank you.
Thank you. Ma'am, what was this today's function? Was there?
Today is a very special day for us here at Don Bosco College of Engineering as we inaugurate our postgraduate program in data sciences, and also we have unveiled the new state-of-art data science lab, which has got high-end GPU and about 20 advanced computer systems catering to the needs of skill-based training for our students with a cutting-edge technology. Data scientists are very much in demand nowadays, and most of the organization, they rely on data-driven systems. There is a strong demand for data scientists, and most of the organizations, they rely on data-driven decision making. And our curriculum for data sciences is well designed for taking information, for giving information about data analysis, data visualization and statistical modeling, which will be very much useful for the researchers as well as it will be useful for the industry.
Who was the today's guest, ma'am? Chief guest? Who was today's chief guest?
The chief guest for today's function was Mrs. Sunita Sawant, Police Superintendent of South Goa, and we were indeed honored to have her on our campus.
Your good name?
Hi, so I'm Shaunak Kunde, so I'm first year ME student, Master of Engineering, Computer Engineering Department, and this is our data science lab.
So, today some function held over here. So, what was that function?
Yeah, this was the function for the inauguration of this data science lab, as well as it was an official welcome for all the ME first year students in Don Bosco College of Engineering. Don Bosco has started 2 MEs, that is one in computer department, data science, which is this lab, and then there is one more, computer aided structural engineering, that is for civil department.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.